What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by judging by this video, I am going to show you all how I make, well, not how I make my labels, but how I print my labels. So if you're interested, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so first thing first, obviously you need a printer. This is just a simple regular printer, Canon TR4520, in case you guys are interested. I'm just gonna pull this open. I already turned it on. And I'm just gonna take the regular paper out, because we're not gonna be using this. So, as I mentioned, I'm gonna show you all how to make sticker labels. Well, how you print them out. So once you already have your logo and you're ready to go, you're ready to start branding yourself, this is where you'll turn this video on. Okay, so first thing you want to do is Avery Templates, not Avery.com, but Avery Templates Design. You'll click on that. Once the screen pops up, there's a code that is on your sticker labels. I got these from Amazon. But if you want, you can always go into your local Office Depot, Staples, Walmart too, but sometimes they don't have all of your labels that you need. So anyways, you're gonna type in this code right here, type that in, select that, and then right where it asks you to find the right template to print your AV product, that's when you're gonna wanna type in the code. Remember, the code is right. This was the code. So you're gonna want to type in 22830, and it's gonna pop up. Once it pops up, you're gonna click Start Designing, and you're gonna always want to click on the blank one, because you're gonna insert your own video, your own picture, your own logo. Once you do that, so I already have my own, that I started. So once I hit Add Photo, you can go to Image, and you go to your camera roll, Library. So this is the image that I'm gonna do, my logo. I am out of my pink lemonade body scrub logo, so we definitely have to make some more of these. Play around with the sizing. You just pull and, pay attention to these dotted lines. It's just warning you to let you know, if you go past these dotted lines, then the logo will be cut off. So definitely be mindful of that. But once you have everything positioned, you're gonna hit the green button that says project, and it's gonna show you, it says let us print for you. No, we do not want that. We want to do it ourselves. So do not pay attention to that. Don't click on that. Always want to make sure you save your project. Right here you hit save, which I already have it saved for mine, so I don't need to hit that. But always save your project, so next time when you come in, you need to remake labels, it'll already be saved and ready. So I'm just going to hit preview, and as you can see, once I hit preview, these are all the labels. Then that's when you want to hit print. And it's letting you know we strongly recommend that you save. Okay, so before printing, before you're ready to make your logo, you want to make sure you take your paper, your sticker paper out. This is the glossy white. So it's going to come like this. This is the side where the sticker labels is going to be on once you print it. This is the back side. It's gonna, you never want to insert your paper like this. What you want to do is turn it over face down and then put it inside of your printer. Okay, so we got that situated, okay? We're good to go. I have the app that's on my phone for my printer. So I'm just double checking to make sure my settings are, I don't have plain paper. This is, like I mentioned, this is glossy paper. So I'm just checking that. print quality, I want it to be high. And that is that. And now we're ready to print. Okay, so now that we're ready to print, we're gonna hit the print button and it's gonna bring up another screen. Once your printer is ready, obviously it's connected to your Wi-Fi. You'll just hit the little down arrow at the bottom, then you're gonna go to print. Okay, so now after you hit print, you wanna pay attention where it says, obviously this is the printer that I have right here. And then a number of copies. You wanna always do one at a time because you do not want your paper to get jammed. And then options, single-sided color. We want to make sure it prints in color format, not black and white. If you want black and white, then you will select that and hit black and white. So everything is good and ready to go. We're going to just hit print. And now we'll wait. All right, you guys, that is it. These are how they came out. Our pink lemonade body scrub labels. Hope you guys can see with this ring light. I try not to touch it, right when it comes out, but yep, that's it. Just that simple, It's very easy to do. I definitely recommend you should try it. So this way is, it's a good way. Like I said, when it comes to wanting to be an entrepreneur, you want to try to be as self-sufficient as possible. You want to try to save money, and if you can do it yourself, I definitely recommend you do it yourself, sis. But yeah, so these are just some other ones that I've done, which, for my Her Butter, for my Her Butter Glow, and my lip glosses. All right, you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions or if I didn't explain something very detailed enough. So then I will see you guys next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.